Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new ceramic white Harris 230 Cruiser. So this one has a 200 horsepower on it, the new RPM chassis logs, which are really great, and the new lily pad ladder, which is fantastic. So the new ladder comes out at about a 45-degree angle, much easier to get off and on the boat, wider rungs, reaches further down in the water, and when not in use, it's got a strap to just pull it up. So really nice. This boat also has the submersible swim seat. So this will flip down, your water level will be right here. So dogs getting in and out of the water, kids, great place to sit. And then when not in use, flips up out of the way. So great options on board these boats. All right, so 230 Cruiser. Wraparound seating in the front. This boat's gonna have the lighting package in it. So you'll get LED lighting in your cup holders and in your seat bases. 7-inch Simrad screen here on the dash, upgraded JL head unit, 6 Clarion speakers, wireless cell phone charger. Boat's rated for 12 people. Really nice setup. This one is what they call an SLDH for single lounge dual helm seats. We also have this boat available with an L bench that comes off of here also. The always popular flip up table, which is one of my favorites, and the SL floor plan. So this backrest is flip-flop, so you can sit facing forward, sit facing backwards. You can also fold it down flat to make a full sun pad. And this storage is passed through underneath the entire area, which is great. Just tons of storage. Built-in cooler underneath your outside, and the big extended deck back here on the back. This one has the V6 200 horsepower on it, so digital throttle, power assisted hydraulic steering, lily pad ladder, submersible swim seat, and the stern safety fencing. That stern safety fencing is important because if you like these flip-flop backrests, all those floor plans, whether it be from Harris or the Bennington guys across the street or whoever, you have to have safety fencing back here in order for it to be legal to ride back here. Harris does theirs really nice because it's around the outside. A lot of other manufacturers put theirs running along here, so you can't sit like this on the back of the boat because you got those bars going across you. So done a lot better, and new overbuilt ski tow bar, as well as a double bimini top. So fully optioned boat at a lower price point than some of the other stuff that's out there. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd want to talk to you.